Good afternoon, judges. We are here today to present about our RPW project, which is the effects of different types of liquid on the plant growth. I am Jillian. I'm Nicole.
I'm Patrick. I'm Stuart. Okay, first of all, there's a table of contents. These are the following that we are going to present or talk about.
Research has shown that plants need water to grow. We were curious to find out whether we could use other types of liquids for plants to grow.
The purpose of our experiment is to find out whether plants can grow with another type of liquid other than water. Our objective is to find that other type of liquid that can help plants grow as well.
Our hypothesis is that there will not be any other liquid, such as water, that can replace water in making the plants grow as healthy as they can.
So our control variables are the number of days that we tested our plants, the type of leaves, the number of seeds, the size of the cotton wool, and the amount of liquid. Our independent variable are the different types of liquid that we have used, and our dependent variables are the height of the plant and the number of leaves that it has grown.
These are the materials we used for our experiment. Cotton wool, 20 green bean seeds, 4 pots, a ruler, 10 milliliters of cooking oil per day, 10 milliliters of vitamin water per day, 10 milliliters of water per day, and 10 milliliters of fresh milk per day.
These are our procedures. Step 1. We put 1 cotton wool in each of the pots to ensure that the experiment is fair. We did not use soil as we figured that the soil has already received water from precipitation or rain. Since our experiment's goal is to find out if plants can grow with other types of liquid, we used cotton wool instead. Step 2. We put 5 green bean seeds in each of the pots. Step 3. We put the types of liquid in their respective pots of cotton wool. One with cooking oil, one with water, one with fresh milk, and one with vitamin water. Step 4. We gave each of the plants 10 milliliters of their respective liquids per day, each day. Step 5. We recorded the height of each plant with a ruler and the number of leaves that each plant has each day. So this table shows the number of leaves that each plant has grown from days 1 to 10. As you can see, water has grown up to 3 leaves at day 10, and cooking oil has grown up to 2 leaves, but the fresh milk and vitamin water didn't grow any leaves at all.
Okay, this is data result for type of plants. For water, it started to grow since day 3 from 0.2 centimeters and up to day 10 to 19, while fresh milk and vitamin water did not grow at all. And lastly, cooking oil started to grow since day 9 and in day 10 ended with 1 centimeter.
This graph shows the plants that grew with water. It ended up with 3 leaves. The one with fresh milk and vitamin water didn't have any leaves, and the one with cooking oil grew 2 leaves.
This graph shows the height of the plants in the end. The one with water grew up to 90 centimeters. The one in cooking oil grew up to 1 centimeter, and the plants that grew in fresh milk and vitamin water didn't grow at all. So after setting up our experiment, we have decided to experiment it for 10 days. From days 1 to 2, the plants stayed at 0 centimeters with no leaves. From days 3 onwards, the plants that grew with water started to grow. And from day 9, the plants that grew with cooking oil also started to grow. In the end, the plants that grew with water grew to 19 centimeters with 3 leaves. The ones with cooking oil grew to 1 centimeter with 2 leaves, and the ones with fresh milk and vitamin water didn't grow at all.
Okay, the results. After finishing the experiment, we found out that there is no liquid that can replace for water in plant growth, and that some type of oil does help make plants grow.
From our results, we have proven that our there are no other liquids that can make plants grow as healthy as water.
After our experiment, we concluded that although plants can grow in other types of liquid, it still grows best in water. So these are the pictures of our first plants.
These are the pictures that
Second.
are second.
And what could be done to improve our experiment? The most important is